ploughing was kicked off in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region before Qingming Festival, which falls on April 5 this year. Home to rich land resources, Xinjiang is accelerating the application of machinery and modern technology in agricultural production. Among the 7.07 million hectares of farmland, local farmers use tractors and planters to work on the ground, as well as drones in the air. In addition, new technologies such as water-saving drip irrigation, high-precision satellite navigation and agricultural Internet of Things are now widely used. In 2021, Xinjiang's comprehensive mechanization rate for growing and harvesting crops has reached 85.48%, with its agricultural machinery total power surpassing 24 million kilowatts.